Hello, my name is Kevin Ryder. I'm with BrightVest. We're the manufacturer of illuminated safety vests that come with a lighting technology that we created. The illuminated part on it is a fiber optic LED, and it is completely sealed, so it is waterproof. It's virtually indestructible. Anything that you can do to it, it'll take the abuse. So if something happens that you put it in your car or you put it in your truck and it gets wadded up, it's not going to hurt it. It's not going to affect it. So it's very rugged. On the back, you can see more reflectivity, the standard that comes with the ANSI approvals, and then we add a reflectivity as well. You can get an ID panel. The ID panel, especially for law enforcement, fire departments, fire police, sheriff, ranger, constable, we have all of those in stock. These here are a form of electroluminescence, and they can light. They can also, you can flash them, and then you can also